Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see vitamin rich gooseberry raita that is very much needed these days. So for that we need gooseberries, 6 I have taken here, cut into small pieces, coconut 1 cup, black pepper 20 and jeera teaspoons. First we will roast all these ingredients in ghee. We will first take 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee, heat it. After that we will add jeera, black peppers and fry it until it is golden brown. So this Indian gooseberries are very high in vitamin C, so you need not go for any tablets. You can prepare this and have with hot steaming rice. That will be very good with ghee. Now we'll add the gooseberries and fry it for another 5 to 7 minutes until this also becomes golden brown. Then we'll add coconut, fresh grated coconut. We'll add half a glass of water or 3/4 glass of water also you can add, and cover it with a lid and allow it for 10 minutes. After that you can switch it off and allow it to cool for some time. After it gets cooled, in the mixer jar you can add all these and grind it to a fine paste. Now I am adding bit water, 1/4 glass of water, and grinding it, and adding crystal salt 1.5 teaspoon. Add it to the same kadai. Now you can add 1.5 cups of curd, fresh curd. So to taste also it is very good. Now we'll season it with jeera and ghee. So after the jeera pops up, you can just put it to the mixture. Give it a quick mix, and you can have this with, as I told, rice, hot rice. It will be very good, tasting very good and high with vitamin. Please try this at home and let me know in the comment section how it was. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and for more videos like this please hit the bell button. Thank you.